We can say now banditry is an industry. Last month, we arrested a member of the State House of Assembly in banditry. We arrested a district head. We also as well arrested a former local government chairman.
They know it very well. They know it very well. And I suspect that some people in government are complicit. They are making money with insecurity. They are making money with it. They know Nnamdi Kanu is outside. In 2 minutes, this nonsense will stop. Who is the idiot? Who is the bagger?
The Nigerian police just confirmed that they arrested some politicians, including members of the House of Assembly, including former local government chairman, who are bandits. They are sponsoring banditry, they are involved in the banditry, and they are doing everything possible to spread banditry all over Nigeria. Now, the reason why this is a special case, Nigerians must look into. The reason why this is a special case that we are going to treat is because about a few days ago, the CDS came to Chinese television during the interview on the town hall, telling the whole world that it is the Finnish government that is trying to protect Simon Ekpa, that Simon Ekpa is causing insecurity, that that. He started saying things that are not necessary. This was how they are accusing Nnamdi Kanu, that Nnamdi Kanu is the one sponsoring this, sponsoring that. Nnamdi Kanu said something in the court. He said that politicians are the ones sponsoring insecurity. You see, everything the man said, 90% of the thing the man is saying is almost true. So, this police report is a confirmation that not even Nnamdi Kanu or Simon Ekpa, it could be that politicians are sponsoring all these things in form of ipob to make sure they disorganize so many things and embezzle money.
We can say now banditry is an industry in Zamfara State. Last month, we arrested a member of the State House of Assembly in banditry here in Zamfara State. We arrested a district head. We also as well arrested a former local government chairman. So you can see that involvement of this class of people in banditry is more making the situation to become more and more complex. So, in essence, I can say that all caliber of people now are involved. All manner of people are involved in this banditry. More alarming and more disturbing is the involvement of a district head in supplying drugs to the bandits. So in that respect, your presence here today.
How many of you have seen this police report before? I don't believe that people have seen this clip. This clip can never be found in our national television. You cannot see maybe on a Vanguard News front page where they will write it, politicians arrested for sponsoring bandits, or politicians who are bandits arrested. You will never see it on Chinese television. See, this Mr. Musa, the CDS, the Chief Defense Staff, is he going to tell Nigerians that he don't know about this? Have you seen this man talking about all this banditry that they have captured or they have arrested politicians who are members of bandits? Have you seen such? They will never come out to say, you see, Nigeria, injustice is going to deal with us. What is killing Nigeria today is injustice. As far as it is the north, as far as it is not southeast, as far as it is not south-south, nobody will talk about it. Politicians won't talk about it. Media won't talk about it. Military won't talk about it. This video, this report can never be aired. This is a serious something that is supposed to be discussed on our national television. It's supposed to be the topics of the day. Now, the question I'm asking is, who are the politicians? Who are the politicians they arrested, and where are they? Where is the former local government chairman they arrested? Where is the head of the community that they arrested? These are the questions Nigerians are supposed to ask. And I am not trying to make all this thing tribal, But you see, this kind of cases is a case that Ohaneze Igbo, all those Adebanjo, Edwin, all these old men, these are the issues they're supposed to be bringing up for national discussion. But this is a serious something. This banditry has become holistic. I used to ask questions. You see the reason why. When they said they are going to ban open grazing, senators stood up and said to hell that they are not going to ban it. Northern senators. So many of them are saying, no, it is not going to happen. These are the reason why they said it is not going to happen, because they have hand in the insecurity. They are the ones sponsoring the insecurity. They are the one who owns the car, who buy AK-47 for them. If not, I don't see any reason why a senator will stand up and say those who are carrying AK-47 killing people, that they should not ban them. What did IPOB do before they designate them as terrorists? What did they do? They are not even carrying stick, knowing ways to marching on the streets. They said they are terrorist organization. But people who are carrying AK-47, they are not doing them anything. Why? Because politicians are supporting them. Senators who are there, who own those cars, they should come and prove to Nigerians why they should say that all these people will not be banned. Their movement, Indigo movement, you are possessing arms and using your car to destroy property, trespassing and destruction of life and property. You said they should not be banned. And you are every day you call IPOB a terrorist organization. Thank God that these videos are leaking. Somewhere my friend sent me this video today. So when I saw it, I said, I'm going to use it to make video, because the injustice in Nigeria is going to consume us. See, when Nnamdi Kanu made that statement that politicians are the ones sponsoring insecurity, people thought it's a laughing matter. It's not a laughing matter. People should be emancipated. Open your eyes. You see all this one, they are saying IPOB in the Southeast. Do not be surprised. Some governors or some politicians will be sponsoring people. Buy motor, crest it IPOB. Put it in the bush, and soldiers will go their bosses. They say they boss IPOB camp. They are doing all those things so that Nnamdi Kanu will stay in the prison. Don't be surprised that what is going on in the Southeast is being sponsored by politicians. See, everything Nnamdi Kanu said, 90% are true. There are some things he will say, you say, no, this one might not be true. It's an act of struggle. But 90% of the things he said are true. He said Nigerian politicians are sponsoring insecurity.
Samuel Ekpa. I still don't know why we're not doing anything much about him. We can't allow him get the airspace against us. The country Finland is offering him, is giving him refuge. They shouldn't do that for whatever reason. And we have diplomatic means of going through those things. So I think Minister of Information can do so much.
You see the problem? Not Nnamdi Kanu, not Simon Ekpa. What we have, the proof we have, is what we are going to talk about. Not someone who is talking in the video that they should resist this, resist that. They are not the ones sponsoring it too. The proof we have is what we are going to talk about. When Ademodu Sheriff was arrested in Cameroon, it was Nigerian government and military that made call to release him. He was arrested because he was sponsoring Boko Haram. When Kashem Shettima was indicted, Nigerian military did not talk anything. When Fadana accused Ademodu Sheriff, nobody talked anything. September 15, 2021, I repeat, September 15, 2021, United Arab Emirates released the name of 6 people who are sponsoring insecurity in Nigeria. Up till now, Army did not arrest them. They are still in Nigeria. They are still parabolating. In fact, some of them were appointed minister by Buhari. I know one of them that was appointed minister by Buhari. All of these people are linked to the government. So Nigerian Army head was coming out to say things so that you appease the mind of people. And you think that all these foreigners, our neighboring countries, international communities, they don't know what is going on. They know what is going on. They are not like Nigerian police who don't do investigation, or Nigerian military who don't do investigation. You come out to talk. This person is the one causing it. What is your proof? When they will go to court, now court will discharge him, and you people will continue to disobey court order. So, for those of you who are writing me, telling me you are talking much about Nnamdi Kanu, can you just allow the issue to be? I receive a lot of messages, people telling me you are talking much about. See, I hate injustice. Nigeria can never move forward. See, if this thing that is happening to people, they are intimidating people, if you do not talk about it, one day it will come to your dwelling place. It will happen to you, and nobody is going to talk about it. Nobody is going to talk about it. We have all evidence. We have all proof of people who are sponsoring insecurity in Nigeria. We challenge the Nigerian police. We challenge the Nigerian army to go after them. Go after Ademodu Sheriff, former governor of Borno State. Go after him. If you go after him, arrest him. After arresting Ademodu Sheriff, charge him to court, let him come and defend himself. Then we'll begin to listen to you. Boko Haram is one of the deadliest terrorist organizations on earth. The whole world knows that. Someone who formed it is still free in Nigeria. I may have the guts to come out to tell us that someone is sponsoring insecurity. Without proof. What is your proof? Your proof is video recording, right? I don't know the lawyer or legal advisor to police people or legal advisor to military people. I think the legal advisor should be advising them. We have proofs. Look at what police is just saying, that they arrested House of Assembly member, former local government chairman, head of communities who are bandits. Army can't talk anything about it. If it is in Niger Delta now, they will raise down the community. If it is Niger Delta, they will even arrest the king, arrest everybody. If it is in the southeast, they will shut down everybody, kill innocent people. And you think we are going to be happy about all these things going on? We are not going to be happy. Injustice is the thing that is going to kill Nigeria. Injustice. Everywhere injustice. Anything about the south is different. Everything. Look at what happened in Okwama community in my state, Delta State, where army raised down the whole community. No justice still today. Nobody is talking about it. Even Delta State governor was there thanking military. I thank you, military. I thank you, military. I thank the president. When they raised down a community, you are there thanking president, thanking the military officer. People who kill the military officer, they have connection with all those oil thing. And those people who kill the military cannot stay there and start waiting for the military. They must have evacuated, even run to another country. So maybe they are in Cameroon. Why do innocent people continue to suffer? Why do soldiers learn how to show force in the south, show force in the southeast, show force in the south? This is an injustice, so it must stop. Because as far as I'm concerned, the new generation that is coming out now, they are learning, they are listening, they are watching. Because the agitation that we're going to come tomorrow will be greater than the agitation we have today. Because people are watching. They are seeing the injustice. They are on the news. Children are on social media, seeing people who are sponsoring insecurity. And tomorrow you come out to tell them that it's Simon Ekpa or Nnamdi Kanu. It is politicians. It is politicians. We have the proof. Go and arrest them. When you talk about people who are sponsoring insecurity, you say yes. We will say yes. As someone that was indicted, you have arrested the person. Maybe what you said now is true. As far as I'm concerned, Army don't have proof of what they are saying. Let them show us the proof. Police don't have proof of what they are saying. Let them show us the proof. Charge the person to court and bring your proof that he is the one who is doing that. Until you do that, nobody will take you serious.